Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Styling It All. I hope you are doing great. If you are new to my channel, I am Udita Gupta, fashion and personal stylist. So in today's video, I will be sharing 10 to 15 outfit ideas with pleated skirt. I bought this skirt from Uptowny. Uptowny का collection काफ़ी अच्छा है and affordable भी है. So you can check their website. I will share the link in description box. I bought two skirts. One is brown satin skirt and the other one is dark in the shade dark blue. So first I start with blue pleated skirt. In the first look, I paired it up with a printed shirt, which I got from Ajio. Though I'm not a print person, but मैंने सोचा कि experiment करना चाहिए. So yeah, I think it's looking nice. I accessorized it with bracelet and a necklace, which is from Shein, guys. But you can get these types of necklaces from Ajio also, and even from Koofs. They have great collection. I'll mention all the details in the description box. To complete our outfit, I added a pastel color bag, and which is in blue pink shade, and this I got from Miniso. Also on left side, I'm showing a different way of tucking a shirt with this pleated skirt. For the second outfit, I have complemented it with a V-neck sleeveless mustard yellow top. Mustard yellow and blue is a good combination. You can definitely go for this combination. Whether you go for a lunch date or a day event, it's a perfect outfit idea. So for this outfit, I accessorized it with bright yellow earrings and paired it with mustard yellow footwear. Usually I become lazy when it comes to hairstyle, but मेरे मोस्टली 3 हेयर स्टाइल्स होते हैं, या तो लो बन, हाई बन, या बस बाल ऐसे ही खुले छोड़ दो. So in this I tied a low bun, which is actually looking great with this outfit. For the third outfit, I thought of wearing a yellow spaghetti and layered it up with traditional crop jacket. For accessories, I wore yellow jhumkas. You can also go for white jhumkas or simple silver jewelry. Also add a bindi to your look to give a proper traditional vibe. So this is how the whole look looks like. Then comes a fourth outfit. I wore a white chikankari kurti with pleated skirt and accessorized it with heavy white earrings. And for footwear, I wore jutis, which are from Delhi Heart. Also guys, let me know which look you like more, yellow one or white one. So this is the full ethnic look with pleated skirt. For the fifth outfit, you can wear pleated skirt as a dress and layered it up with blazer or a shrug. If you're conscious about your shoulders, then layering is the best option. It's perfect for office parties or any other semi-formal events. For the sixth outfit, I created a monochrome look. I paired sky blue t-shirt with same pleated skirt, and for accessories I wore small tiny earrings and same bracelet and a bag. How cute this look looks like. Now I'll show the outfit ideas with the second pleated skirt, which is bronze satin skirt. So for this I paired long printed shirt with pleated skirt, and for accessories I wore big white hoops, and for footwears I wore heels. If you want to switch your footwear with sneakers, then you'll get a proper casual vibe. So for outfit 8, I wore one shoulder top, which is perfectly giving a party vibe. And for accessories, I wore big hoops and teamed up with sling bag and footwear. For outfit 9, I wore animal print t-shirt. This is a whole look. Just add a high pony to give a neat look. Now for the 10th outfit, I paired white plain t-shirt and accessorized it with a necklace and big hoops and the same animal print bag. So this is the whole look, and it's very easy and a very casual look. For outfit 11, I paired dark green turtleneck top with pleated skirt, and for accessories I wore small round earrings. It's in gold plated, and for bag I chose same animal print bag because I love animal print bag, and it's totally going with the outfit. For the last outfit, I wore coral color shirt, and it's a loose fit shirt but I tucked in to give a semi-formal effect. So this is the whole look. Just tie a bun and you can add a hairband to give more interesting look to your outfit. I really hope you enjoyed my video, and do let me know your favorite style in comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.